You are most welcome on my channel. As you know, I am Gopal Roy. Guys, I ordered some things on Flipkart and he delivered goods before delivery date. So I am very happy today and surprised. And what is this? Why I am surprised and happy? Let's see. What is this? This is from Flipkart. And what is this? If you guess, then comment its name in comment box. Friends, as you know, I am so surprised and happy. So let's go to it. And if you also want to buy this product from Flipkart or Amazon, then follow this link given in description of this video. Thank you and let's go.